Hi, it's Ken Haedrich, Dean of the Pie Academy, and as you may recall, about a month ago now, I announced that I was giving away a copy of my upcoming book, Pie Academy. This guy here, and that's just the cover, that's not the whole book, to one lucky guy or gal who filled in this form and emailed it back to us here at Pie Academy headquarters in Wilmington, North Carolina. And I'm pleased to report that 300 of you did. That's amazing. Now, there was just one minor hiccup, nothing major, but without naming names, about 50 of you had so much fun filling out the form the first time that you filled it out and submitted it twice or 3 times. Now, in all fairness to you, that was my bad because I didn't explicitly say 1 submission per household or whatever it is you're supposed to say when you have a little contest like this. So everything is good. The 50 of you weren't disqualified or anything like that. But just know that next time I do something like that, I've got my eyes on you guys. In any event, it's time to announce the winner. Past time, in fact. So without further delay, well, maybe just one little delay since it is summer and I haven't posted any new videos for the last few weeks, I thought I'd post a couple of summer pie videos below from the archives, videos that for one reason or another didn't really get that much love the first time around. So we're going to give them a second chance and hopefully they'll get a little more love this time. One's about peach pie, and peach is really in season now, and the other's about mason jar lid pies. I think you're going to like them. Now, the envelope, please. And the winner of my upcoming pie book, Pie Academy, coming in October 2020, and available now on Amazon for pre-order for the 299 of you who didn't win, is Bob Parkinson. Bob, congratulations if you're out there. And if you're not out there, congratulations still. We'll be in touch shortly. Now, before I let you go, I just want to say thanks to all of you, our Pie Academy members, those of you who've been with me from the very beginning, and new members too. I appreciate each and every one of you. I love getting your emails, and I look forward to many, many more years together. I'll be in touch again soon.